Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is a Karcher quick release probe that goes into the Karcher machines themselves. So make sure you match them up, the male to the male. Now I've also then got the other side, we've got a Nilfisk special fitting here. Now I've seen all sorts in the marketplace, and what I have seen out there in the marketplace, a quick release setup. A quick release. Now you'll see ball bearings. What you'll get is if you start using a quick release setup, every time you pull the trigger, then ball bearings meant to drop into this groove. Every time you pull the trigger, then ball bearings automatically try and push and pull with the pressure of the gun. You will then wearing the hose fittings away on the system, which is no good. So a quick release system on this, no good at all that I've seen, and I've come across it already that the probes on the hoses are getting worn away. So we have this specially designed, and what we've got here is a system that what happens, it pushes in, and the sealing is done on this O-ring part. So that's what seals it. You push the probe in, so the Nilfisk probe, which we're going to show you now, we'll push it in, and then we clip the clip round it. Very small, compact. It is also not something that's going to get worn away very easy. It stays in there and it seals. It does not start moving about on the ball bearing trace. It's not working with a ball bearing trace. Now as you can see on this side, obviously we've just got a 1/4 inch BSP thread coming out of there, but like I say, what you do is plug your Karcher, your Nilfisk probe into this end, and at this end here that would plug into the pressure washer itself on the quick release. It would not work most probably, you'd have to see if you want to do it the other way around, use it on the gun, but this is mainly used to go onto the pressure washer of a Karcher K series. Plug that into the pressure washer, it then gives you the Nilfisk probe end to push a probe into like we've just done now. Thank you very much, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. This is also made with BSP thread, so what you've simply got there at the end of the day is if we unscrew it all, it's all done 3/8 BSP standard thread. At the other end we've got 1/4 inch BSP using a barrel to convert it. Thank you very much, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. Another thing that's not a throwaway world, so you can convert all your roses to whatever you want to. Thank you.